my supernatural figurines because where's my finger? There it is. Hello and welcome back to my channel. This video is pretty much let's just get it all done. I have so much to do around this house since like a week after Christmas almost. I tackled 2 rooms. We finally get to Jensen's room, redoing it, organizing it, moving things around, all of that. I also pretty much declutter the living room, move it all to Jensen's room, and I take down the Christmas stuff finally, and it makes me sad to say, but it's time. I also show this new vacuum that I got from Levoit. I'm sorry if I mispronounced that. It's incredible and I can't wait for you to see it. So I really hope you stick around. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you get some cleaning motivation out of it. Hello, I'm gonna do another intro just talking video. It's been a busy week. My house is a disaster. It's 2 days after Christmas. I've got toys all over my house. We're in the middle of just kind of rearranging things all over the house. Like, I don't think I've ever showed you this room in any of my videos, but this is my office / Wes's game room. We just did all that yesterday. I didn't video any of it because it was a disaster. It was disgusting. And so like I just deep cleaned it. This is also a cat room. I don't know if you can see the litter box, but it's right there. So this is like a 3-in-1 room. But I will start showing this because I do plan on being in here a lot now, because like I said, this is my office and I need a chair before I can really stay in here. But this is where I'll start doing my editing videos and just anything that goes along with this little thing that I'm doing. And then also Wes's games and videoing, like not videoing, just his video games, that's what I mean. And then the cats also make a huge mess with the litter box, so I just gotta keep it clean. And then we are now finally, I've been talking about this for a few videos, we're finally now rearranging Jensen's room. I got his rug and the recliner chair, not recliner, why do I keep calling it recliner? Rocking chair out, and it's actually in Wes's game room, so Wes has a chair for now. We're gonna get his chair first, I think, and then I'll take the chair, and I don't know, we're gonna see how this works out. And then my kitchen is horrible. My living room is covered in toys, so this is pretty much going to be just a whole house clean, because yeah, it's just needed. And like my hair, look at all this. No life update. Jensen's ears, I don't know if they're working or not, but we did get if you saw the last video, Jensen has another double ear infection. This would make number 6. So we have a consult with a audiologist January 10th, and then that same day he has a consult with the doctor that will be doing the surgery. We're just having a consult. No surgery that day or anything, so that cannot come fast enough. I'm gonna tell you right now. Jensen woke up at 11:30, and thankfully Wes was the one that got up with him last night, because since Wes is off, and so Wes is actually asleep now, and I'm taking care of Jensen now. But yeah, also my supernatural figurines, because where's my finger? There it is. I forgot I had those. I found those in like my little high school storage tub, and I'm like, oh, I gotta put those in there. So fun fact, if you've watched Supernatural, this is like my favorite show. I've watched it thousands of times. Jensen is actually named after one of the main characters, Jensen. He's named after Jensen Ackles and his character Dean. So his name is Jensen Dean. I don't know if I'm supposed to be telling that on YouTube, but yeah. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this cleaning video, and I hope it gives you some sort of motivation. And yeah, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. So some people might be a little confused as to why my desk is like smack dab right there. So I don't like my back toward doors, and that's where that was. It was kind of against a wall and my back would have been toward the door, and I just don't like that. So I kind of wanted to turn it, and to me it kind of makes it have like an officey feel anyway. So I don't know, I'm just weird, and I had to have it like that. So his furniture, his dresser and changing table actually turns into like almost like a hatch. And so I will try to find it. This was like 2 years ago when we bought it, so I don't know if I can find it. But I'll try to find it and link his furniture in the description box, because I thought this was such a neat feature to have. It is an absolute disaster in here, but it is now together. And now we have all this open space. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet. I've been putting toys, I guess cars, under there. So I think that's what I'm gonna do, because I have the top drawers over there that I could put his wipes in. And then also his diapers. So I can probably get rid of this. I don't know. Or get rid of it or use it for his toys. I don't know yet. So I'm about to show you this child-proofing like lock outlet thing, and it's really cool, and I'm really surprised that it actually works, because I didn't get close to it and I really should have, but I kind of even wiggle it just to kind of show that, hey, this sucker is stuck in there. So it moves and it locks, because Jensen is a smarty pants and has figured out those little plastic ones, how to get those out. So we had to find something else. We found those, and those are incredible, and I will also link those in the description box. know if you can see me on camera. I have no idea, I can't see. This crap is so complicated. It's like a giant puzzle. Like this literally was connected to that piece right there and it doesn't fit. That's why I'm doing this one at a time. Because last time I did this, it took me almost like 30 minutes to try to figure out to make the patterns work. Wes somehow figured it out and I don't know. I figured it out. I had to switch the corner pieces. Not sure why, because they were literally there in the living room, but sure. This was what I was talking about. Toys everywhere. I am literally probably about to start just throwing stuff away because I'm so overwhelmed. I can't even think about it right now. But I mean, I took the play area out that y'all probably see in my video. That's in his room now. And then he had this big Lego table, and then he had something else pretty big here. That's out. And this is gonna go in there eventually. I'm gonna reorganize it. I'm thinking those eventually will go outside once the garage is cleaned and we can start going outside to play. But yeah, that's my game plan. So will that car. But I've got to get the garage cleaned up too, because that's a disaster. It's just a big old disaster right here. So I just wanted to say that I am incredibly grateful for each and every one of you who have subscribed, liked a video, even watched a video, commented, whatever you have done to have helped me grow this channel. I started YouTube on a whim. I've wanted to start YouTube for a while, just got nervous and never did. But I have been in complete shock of how well it's actually kind of been doing, and I am just completely forever grateful for this. I mean, I've been praying and I've been blessed with a great, audience, and I can now say friends, So I do want to get some more input from you guys, and for 2023 I'm going to start the year with day 2 of Get It All Done, but from there I would like some input. Do you guys want to keep seeing me clean, or do you want more cleaning? Like, what kind of cleaning do you want to see? Or do you want to see more vlogging? Do you want to see more motherhood lifestyles? And do you want to see like recipes? What do you want from me? Because I want to help, not help, I want to show what you guys want. If you've been watching my videos for some time now, you know that I've been wanting a cordless vacuum for a while now. I have all hardwood floor in my home except for one bedroom, so sweeping can kind of be a little tedious thing. So I have recently been blessed with receiving one from Levoit, and it is amazing. One of the cool features about this vacuum is the intelligent auto mode, which means it automatically adjusts the suction power based on the level of debris that the sensor picks up. So there's completely no guesswork. However, you see that I'm pointing, you can adjust it if you would like. The suction power is also able to remove debris from floorboard cracks and from those sometimes hard to get carpet fibers. Another cool feature that I really love about this vacuum is the LED headlights that are on it. This has been very useful picking up, fine debris or even the pesky little cat hairs that we have all over the house that we usually don't see because, they're white or just very light colored hair. So it has been incredibly useful. I even use it sometimes at night and don't even turn the lights on because I can. Another thing that I find really cool about this vacuum is that it can convert into a handheld. It includes two accessories, which this first one, which I think would be good to, use for your car, like your car seats, furniture, ledge of windows, anything in that nature. And then this extender one, both of these appliances can be clipped into either the body of the vacuum or even at the very bottom of the extended piece of the vacuum. So I use this piece to vacuum up my couch, and this same with the whole vacuum. The suction of this was just incredible, and I'm really excited for this vacuum, y'all. Y'all have no idea. I will leave a link in the description box below to the vacuum, and if you are looking for a cordless vacuum, I highly recommend this vacuum. well, that concludes the end of this video. Just ignore the laundry basket and the pile of books in his room. We have previously got that up now. But I would love for you guys to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would love for you to stick around. And a big thank you to Levoit for sending me the vacuum. I am completely grateful for it, and I just absolutely love it so much. It makes cleaning a lot easier. So I guess I will see you guys next year. Bye!